Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 20 of the Cougar Connection. We wanted to just remind everyone that tomorrow is our first day back after a wonderful holiday break. I hope everyone had a chance to rest and relax and enjoy their family and friends. We want to take a moment this week and recognize our student spotlight, Miss Sadie Litzler. Sadie Litzler is an 8th grade student here at Simons Middle School, and she is a member of the Silver Snakes team. And I've had the pleasure of working with Sadie on a couple of different things over the course of the last 2 years. And I just want to say that I can't wait to see the amazing things that she does as an adult. She has a very generous heart, and for the last few years, she has worked with her church to provide food baskets around the Thanksgiving holiday to those in need. And this year, she provided 60 food baskets, which is up, I think, about 10 baskets from last year. Sadie also has been a member of our Cougar Council, and she also is very active in sports here at Simons Middle School, and she's going to serve this year as a legislative page for our Youth Service Center. So Sadie, congratulations, and thank you so much for all that you do for other people, for students here, as well as people in the community. We're so proud of you and your Kingdom Wellness attitude. Also, this week we want to take a moment and recognize Miss Montana Stone. Mrs. Stone is a special education teacher here at Simons Middle School. She collaborates with both the Green Monkey team and the Silver Snakes team. And Miss Stone is brand new to Simons Middle School this year, but she is very eager to learn, and she is always willing to do what is best for students and try new things. So Miss Stone, I just want to thank you so much for all of your hard work this year so far. And thank you so much for being willing to try new things with your kids and do what you think is best to help them. Also, we have several upcoming events. On Monday, we do have Content PLC for ELA and Social Studies and an admin team meeting at 9 o'clock in the morning. On Tuesday, we have a SPED PLC at 1 o'clock, and boys basketball is home against Lewis County. Bus evacuations are going to be on Wednesday morning, and we do have a brief faculty meeting after school on Wednesday, starting at 3:45. Also, on Thursday, we have boys basketball at West Carter and Content PLCs again for science and math. On Friday, students, as always, Friday is Can, Will, Must T-shirt day, and the student council from FCHS will be here to meet with 8th grade students. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. We'll see everybody back here tomorrow. Let's have a great week.